If you own a 2009 or 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, you know how brutal those cold mornings can be. This MPC remote start kit claims to give you full smartphone control and a ridiculously easy installation. But is it really that simple? We're looking at the MPC smartphone activated remote start system, and honestly, the biggest selling point here is the installation method. Forget spending hours splicing wires under the dash. This system uses a dedicated T-harness, making it genuinely plug and play. The instructions are concise, and if you have even basic knowledge of car electronics, you should be able to knock this out quickly. That's a huge win for the DIY crowd. Now, let's talk about how you actually use it. You have two options. First, the simple no-fuss method, using your existing factory key fob. Just hit the lock button 3 times, and boom, your truck is warming up. No need to carry an extra bulky remote. But the real game changer is the included smartphone interface module. This isn't just a remote starter, it turns your phone into a command center. You can start, stop, lock, unlock, and even track your vehicle right from the app. That kind of range and functionality is fantastic, especially if you park far away or just want peace of mind. A quick note on the service. You get 1 year of unlimited smartphone service included, which is great. After that, it's $39 per year to keep that cellular connection active. That's a very reasonable price point for the convenience and tracking features you get. It's important to remember this is specifically for the 2009 and 2010 Ram 1500 with an automatic transmission, and it works whether you have the gas or diesel engine. And if you run into trouble during the install, MPC offers US-based technical support right out of Tucson, Arizona, which is always reassuring. Overall, the MPC smartphone activated remote start delivers exactly what it promises: a powerful, easy-to-install solution that integrates seamlessly with your factory setup while adding modern smartphone capabilities. If you're looking for maximum convenience without the hassle of complex wiring, this is an amazing upgrade for your Ram.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.